Hello and welcome to the channel. Today's video you're going to learn how to create a Shield wallet account. Now this is really simple. As you can see right now, I'm in my Play Store app, and what I'm going to do right now is to click on the search bar right here. I don't know for Apple users, but you can look that up in Apple Store. Now for you to get the Shield wallet app, you just have to come over to the search bar and type the keyword Shield wallet. Okay, and this is it right here. So we're just going to go ahead and install this right now, and this is loading up and installing. Now you can just come over here and click on enable and open. Okay, you can see the logo right here, so you should see that also in your app section. Now let's give it some time for this to load up. Now for you to create your account, you can go ahead and read this stuff by scrolling to the left, but to create your account right now, you just have to come over here that says create a new passphrase account. If you want to log in, you can come over to more option, but we're going to be going with the create a new passphrase account because this is our first time doing this. Okay, so you can see save your recovery phrase. And one thing about Shield wallet, from what I've heard, is that you're going to be showing your phrase just one time, and after that you will not be able to get your phrase again. Shield wallet is different from the rest of the wallet, is different from Trust wallet, different from Tonkeeper. Once they show you your phrase and you don't save it, you won't be able to get it back again. Now to get your passphrase, you just have to click this right here and your passphrase will be displayed, and once it displays, you go ahead and copy this right here. And just like they told you right here, never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone in possession of it can take control of your account, which is absolutely true. Okay, so make sure you keep it safe. Make sure you write this down. Don't save it in your phone. Even if you copy it to your notepad, make sure you pen it down on your jotter or diary, like I always advise, so you get to keep this safe. Do not share this with anyone, because anyone that has access to this can do away with your phone. So to see your passphrase right now, you just have to click this, okay, and then go ahead and copy this. Okay, the passphrase is 12-word passphrase, so I'm going to click on next right now, and you can see protect your wallet with additional security, use biometric or pin configured on your device to keep your wallet safe. So you're being asked to either unlock your wallet with biometrics or pin, and you can see the two options are selected. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, you can also confirm transaction with biometrics right here, and I'm going to fix my fingerprint, and you can see it says welcome to Shield wallet. And yes, we are now in our wallet. So you can see right here we just created our Shield wallet. Now Shield wallet is a decentralized wallet, which means is a non-custodial wallet. You have total control over your assets, okay, unlike exchanges whereby if you lose your password you can still recover your account. So make sure you keep your password safe. Make sure you don't get to share this with anyone so you don't lose your assets. Okay, so this is basically it. This is our wallet address right here, and to receive any Shield related token, you can just come over here and click on receive, and you get to copy your wallet address. It's that simple. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, leave a like. If you have any question, I would like you to leave that in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to your question. Subscribe if you haven't done that, and turn the notification bell on so you don't get to miss out whenever I create related videos like this. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.